Yo, what's going on, traders? Yep, got a green day today. There was some momentum today in the month of August. Got a nice green day. No red trades. Stay tuned. Yo, what up, traders? Got a green day. Some momentum came back today. A little bit of momentum. Got a nice green day today. So I'm looking for a little. I'm letting it push up a little bit. VRPX. I think I made the bulk of my money on this stock or this low volume bull crap. Look at this, 723,000 shares in them. Like, and it's 3 minutes to open. Like, I don't remember. I don't think I ever traded a stock this low on volume like this. Usually it'd be over at least a million. But anyway, it's pushing up, looking for a dip back. Got a little dip. I could have bid it. I could have bid it there already, but yesterday I was break even yesterday, so today I was kind of want to be a little cautious. So jumping in at 649, very high. I should have bid in the stock already. 300 shares jumped in there. That's why the stock's going against me like this. And I'm really just trying to push it back up above 50, above that 61 area. There we go. I got it. Up $9 on the day. Next trade. Well, next trade is coming. So now I'm waiting for the next dip. Like this stock wasn't really a part of, like, when I took the second trade, it didn't really do my strategy too much. But the fact that you see on the axe there when it came in and touched 7. Let me see if it does it again. So look at on the ass is at 7, right? And then look at this pullback. It's gonna be like a nice dip, and I just had to take advantage of that. So we got a little break above 7, and it's gonna be like, look at this. It's gonna be like a 30-cent drop. Look at that. Look at that. That's like a 40-cent drop. Like that's the dip. I love those dips. Like I had to take that dip, even though it didn't crack below 50. I didn't even want it to crack below 50 too much, because then it would have been like a bad looking candle. Something that's 670 because of that 30-cent, 40-cent dip. Well, 30 cent on the axe, 40 cent on the bid. So, you know, it is going against me. Like, I am down a lot. Like, I really should have gotten in around this level here, but I did take an ass spot, and that was like a little fat finger ass spot. I jumped in at 572. I hit the my 95% buying power by mistake. I just wanted to add 100 shares. But it dropped me down my average pretty nicely, down to 660. It gave me a 10-cent decrease, which is pretty nice. And then I get a nasty rip. Now, that trade wasn't the best. That wasn't a beautiful trade. Now, granted, that was a sloppy trade. Like, it did dip below. Like, it did touch $7, and it did dip below, like a 30-cent. Like a 30-cent drop. I'm gonna take that trade every time. Like, if it does it that quick, I'm gonna take that trade every time. Yeah, that was just a sloppy trade. I just managed that very well because I was just very confident in my position. Up $32 on the day, scored it to a halt. Should have held on a little longer. Excuse me, held on a little longer. So anyway, after the halt resumption, it's pushing up. Didn't get a dip enough, low enough. I want a little dip. 737. It stalled out there. That's why I took that trade. It dipped right there, but I wasn't quick enough. Then it was pushing up, so I was waiting for it to push up some more. It didn't. Came back a little bit and it stalled at 37 level. So I jumped in there at 737, trying to get a pop back over 50. I got it up there, but I was late with my hot finger. My hotkey. I'm sorry, I'm fumbling with my words today, y'all. I'm up $150 on the day. Waiting for a pullback. Got the pullback. Too slow. Let me see if you get another chance. Got in there 849 again. Don't like that out. Like I said, that's kind of. I wish I got a little lower than that, but get a rip. Got out 863 right there. Oh, 868, even better. Wow. Didn't even know that. Next trade. This is my last one on the day too. Jumped in there at 839. This is like a little breakout candle. That's not my last trade, but this is like I played a little breakout here. Like the stock wasn't overextended. So it had room to make a move up, is what I was thinking. And I played a candle over candle. Look at that. It's rare. It's only at 839. Try to play it back above 50. I don't think I actually get it. I get out right on time before the dump. Like, it's taking too long to break 50. Like, it's taking too long to get up there. It's taking too long to break 50, and I don't like the action. So I had to adjust my plans. Look at that. Nothing. 849 was on the X. Didn't do anything. Got rejected. So now I'm just waiting to see if he can get another chance. Like, I'm not really looking at my my P&L right now, because if I do, if I take a look at that, I would panic out. Like, I'm literally looking at. I know I'm down money because I'm looking at the bid, but like, I'm just staring at that level 2 in that bid. And I know once it go above 839, I'm in the green. So right now I know I'm in the green. Here we go. Got the 50. Took it off. Should have held it on for a little longer. But this stock was so whippy and jumpy with 10-cent spread, 5-cent spread. I had to get in and get out. Thank you. It's Money Games. Hit like, subscribe.